What's up, Kaiser Cats?
Welcome back to another episode.
We're your hosts. I'm George.
And I'm Zoe, and we're here to bring you the latest updates,
Exciting events,
and important announcements happening around our campus.
Now let's dive into the video.
Have you been bored in class all because of this dumb block schedule?
Yeah.
Well, we have a solution, slime. As long as your teachers are okay with it, that's the disclaimer. So all the ingredients you'll need is glue, shaving cream, baking soda, and some type of activator. We're using Tide, and some friends to make it. So yeah, okay. You just think you opened it.
You tell me when you saw.
I think that's about right. And then this is the fun part. The ratio doesn't really matter. It's like the more shaving cream, the better, honestly. And then not too much, but not too little.
Wait, now do we have the activator? I want my slime.
Oh yeah, a little bit at a time, cause like you don't want to overactivate it.
She's about to dump the whole thing. Look.
There she goes. That's still a combo. Baking soda, shaving cream, and glue.
Hold up. I don't think he's gonna work, guys.
And how'd you make your slime?
With eye contact solution.
Wow.
I put that down, I put multiple options. And to activate, eye contact solution. Is it working?
Yeah.
Oh yay, it's working, guys. Okay, guys. Oh wait, it's actually slime now. Then food coloring is optional. We didn't have any, so this is the best it's gonna get, but it's all for funs.
I'm Ms. David and Jacob's from here.
I'm Isaac Ramirez.
And I'm Eric Centeno.
Alright, so what do you do for practice?
For practice, we usually start off with just the warm-up, and then we do warm-up lap, and then we split up to individual groups. So like for me, I do triple jump, and then I do 300 hurdles, so I go with those two groups.
Yeah, for me, I do long jump and 300 hurdles and 100 hurdles.
How do you guys think the season's going so far?
I think the season's going by good. Our athletes are getting used to what it's like to be in practice, what it's like to run in a meet, and I think it's overall just fun.
Yeah, I could back that up because it's my first year, and it definitely is nerve-wracking during the meets, and I'm getting used to it.
Appreciate you guys for your time. Thank you.
We're here trying to respond to admin that it's really hard to make it from C building to K wing, especially with a lot of slow walkers, the tardy sweeps.
We're here to re-challenge that. Time starts now. People are looking at us right now. It's kind of funny.
I don't know, huh?
We're actually going during a passing period, so this is about to be so accurate, and there's people everywhere. Dr. Hollister thinks that I'm lollygagging, which I don't even...
How do you even say that word, lollygagging?
I don't even know what lollygagging means.
Lollygagging means to fool around and waste time.
We're at 4 minutes. Are we gonna make it? It's time for the zombie apocalypse. People running. Sweet.
That's serious.
Guys, look at show back there. Guys, Guys, we're gonna stop it now. We made it in 7 minutes and 14 seconds. A whole minute and 14 seconds late is not acceptable. Hey George.
Yeah, what's up?
I got a better joke this time.
Let me hear your joke.
What did the teacher say when the cat walked into class late?
What did the teacher say?
You've got to be kidding me.
Yo, bro, I just caught this brand new God, swear. Try it. You know. It's that straight. Bro, straight alcohol, bro. Yo, bro, let's go out for a late night drive. Yeah, bro, let's go. Hey guys, this is Isaiah Duran. We're out here at a Kaiser high school in Fontana, teaching some high school students how to weld.
I'm Brandon Gonzalez, better known as like president of Auto Club. They're teaching us how to dab into welding, trying to see who's better at it. Pretty difficult. It's a lot of like very tedious work, like a piece of metal, something really hot. You gotta like, there's a pedal, you gotta like see how hot you want it, how close to put everything. It's pretty hard for sure.
My name is George Mendoza.
Who's teaching you to weld?
Isaiah, he's a pretty good welder. He's pretty known in the automotive industry for his work and stuff.
Do you want to try it again?
I would try it again, yeah. It's really fun.
My name is Eric Centeno.
And today we're going to be talking about AP Computer Science.
So AP Computer Science is just like it sounds. It's learning about the science behind a computer. In the class, we learn how to make apps, we learn how the internet works, how to be safe on the internet. And it's just a bunch of like app making, and it involves a lot of critical thinking. Computer science involves a lot of the fundamental ideas of STEM. So a lot of like science, technology, engineering, art, and math. So you do learn how to use like critical thinking skills to create things that you like, using things that you know, maybe things you never heard of before, and it all just comes together to create a masterpiece of an app. You know, there's endless possibilities that you can make apps with in computer science. For me, example, I've made apps for fitness tracking, I've made apps for budgeting themes, and I've also made apps to like teach people how to crop pictures, which is pretty cool because they're all part of my passions.
Thank you.
I'm Ali, and who am I here with?
I'm Victoria, and I'm a senior, and I'm a treat maker.
So what inspired you to start?
I have like a lot of family parties, and my sister was like, you should get into something, and I wanted to start working, making my own money, so I started my own business.
So what services do you offer?
I offer chocolate covered strawberries, K-Pops, Kexicles, pretzels, and I just came out with Dubai chocolate covered strawberry cups. You can find me on Instagram, Sweets by Victoria with 3 A's, and I am located in the IE and High Desert area, and I do pickups and deliveries.
Hi, I'm Ali. Who am I here with?
Ryan Vargas, I'm a senior and I'm a barber.
What inspired you to start?
My parents were paying like pretty good amount of money just to get like 3 haircuts, and I was always getting messed up, so I just didn't want that.
How long have you been doing it for?
I've been doing it for about 3 years already, since I was going into sophomore year.
What services do you offer?
The services I offer: tapers, of course, fades, gentleman cuts, lineups, enhancements, beards, eyebrows, facial hair, and basically anything.
Where are you located and where can they find you?
On Instagram, rcv.cuts_, and then they can find me at ASR Barber Studio.
Oh no, I think I'm gonna be sick.
That's my friend Michael. An hour before prom, a group of him and his pals went to grab a couple beers. His buddy James pressured him into drinking more beer than usual. And now the whole school just watched him throw up all over his crush Amy. Don't be like Michael and say no to drinking alcohol. Stay safe and have a good prom, class 2025.
Thank you so much for watching.
Make sure you follow all these pages on your screen to stay up to date.
And make sure to have a great rest of your day, Kaiser Cats.